In this session, I want to teach you the effect and preset section. In the previous sessions, we made some references to this section. Now I want to teach you more. If you have worked with other Adobe programs such as Photoshop, you are familiar with the effects available to you, and then use them in your layers and objects. Here I search for hue saturation. I use this to change the color of the logo. You can apply it to the logo in the scene or on its layer in the timeline. In the project section, a new tab opens for this effect. Change the color of your logo here. To delete, select it and hit the delete button. The reset option is also known. Temporarily disable the effect with this one. This option is also in the timeline. At the moment, because it is inactive from below, no matter how much I try this one, it doesn't work. Unless I enable the button option, then I work with this one. To remove it, you can use the timeline or from above, project part, and hit delete, like this. You can also close this. Wherever you add, this window will open automatically. Now I want to add a blur effect, the Gaussian blur. I put it on the logo. You can change its blurriness from here. With the reset, we return to the first state, and with delete, we remove the effect. In the animation preset section, several animations are ready. You can add an animation to the background. For example, we can use shape effect for the shape we have here. For image, we have these. I choose one of these, for example this one. I put it on the logo, and the window related to the effect opens. The settings are up to you. Each has its settings that you will see when you use it. You can use different effects. I will add this. Now we have it all. If you don't want them, delete them. I shrink it again. So these are ready-made effects for objects. This feature is also available for text. Let's take one of these 3D modes. You see, it's a ready effect. If you want to make additional settings, apply them from the effects section, if it has any, or hit Ctrl Z and use another effect. For example, I tried this one. So you can also use these ready-made effects. I want to change my text color as well. With the hue saturation effect, I make it yellow. Work with the other effects and see what options are available to you in this program. And get familiar with the settings and delete them. Or add as many as you like. For example, I add highlight shadow. Creates a shadow mode. If you don't like this, you can use drop shadow. Its angle, opacity and direction. The distance of the shadow, its softness, and its color that you can choose from above. In the next session, we will render this motion and prepare an output from it. So stay tuned for the next part.